Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 32, class 9 science English medium for the date 16 September. So in this worksheet we are going to study the graphical representation of speed and how to calculate speed of an object from the distance time graph. As you can see from the worksheet, this distance time graph has been shown and these are the two axes. This is y axis and this is x axis. Now what you have to do, you have to see the slope of the graph and you mark any 2 points of graph that we have marking A and B. Then take a line straight away from A on the x-axis and this will be marked as T1. Another line from B on x-axis, this will be marked as T2. Likewise, you have to take one straight line on the axis Y and the another line straight on the Y will be marked as S2. So when we combine these, there will be a triangle formation will be there, that is known as ABC triangle. Now in this ABC triangle you have to see this part. AC is giving you the difference between the time interval and this BC is giving you the difference between the speed, and this will help you out to calculate the speed. So distance is S2 minus S1 and time is T2 minus T1. So it comes out to be 38 minus 22, 56 minus 42, that means 0.71 km per minute. So you have to remember, higher the slope of the graph, higher will be the speed of the object. So this you have to remember, and the slope of a distance time graph is giving you what? It is giving you speed. So these are the two important things which you have to remember. Now let's see the different types of graph which are being plotted. The given distance time graph shows the different position of the car because it is going with a non-uniform speed. Firstly, from A to B it is going at uniform speed, then it is at a resting stage again at a uniform speed, but overall it is said to be the non-uniform speed. Then the distance time graph between the motion of an object shows uniform speed of an object, that means we are getting a straight line. Non-uniform motion, zigzag line or any different line you can say, and when at rest again a straight parallel line to your x-axis. Question answers first and the third question we'll do in the next slide. Let's see the question number 2 and 4th. So first is state two difference between uniform and non-uniform. When an object covers equal distance in equal into time, it is known as uniform motion, and when object covers unequal distance in unequal interval of time, it is known as uniform. This is the first point of difference. Second, the distance time graph of an object moving with uniform motion is straight line, and the distance time graph of an object moving with non-uniform is curved line. This is the second difference. Two difference you have to write. And what is the slope of a distance times graph give? The slope of distance time graph is giving you speed. Okay, now let's discuss the question number 1 and 3rd. In the question number 1, you just see this figure. In this we are given time on the x-axis, distance on the y-axis, time difference in second 1 2 3 4 5 6, and distance in 10 20 30 40. So when we are going to calculate it, on the y-axis we are giving the speed and on the x-axis we are giving the time. Sorry, y-axis we are giving the distance. So again we can draw two lines like this and we are getting this triangle on this ABC triangle. Now this speed is equal to distance upon time, so BC upon AC, S2 minus S1. So S2 minus S1 is 30 minus 20 and time is 3 minus 2, that is 10 upon 1. So the answer is 10 meter per second. Okay, when we draw the distance time graph for a body at rest, when the body is at rest, this y-axis, this is x-axis. Now when the body is at rest, you have to draw a straight line with the x-axis, and when non-uniform speed is there, a zigzag line you will get. Hope you like this worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Subscribe also. Thank you.